Hey guys, this is Andy with Big Daddy RC Customs. I got some cool things I want to show you guys tonight. Proline just came out with the new 1.9 flat iron XL tires. Awesome. Just cool tires. They're really tacky. You got the memory foam in there just like the Super Swampers did. Okay, check that bad boy out. Good tread pattern. Nice sidewall biters on it for when you go inside the side. Now what I got here too as well is I also have a set of the stock Maxxis Trepadors that came off my Rubicon. So as you can tell, between the two, the XLs are noticeably taller and noticeably a lot wider too as well. Can't wait to actually get these outside and try them out this week. We get nice out. It'll be a separate video, but yeah, definitely a huge improvement. I also have a set of the RC 4-wheel drive Super Swamper boggers. These are not bad tires either. They did well. I tried them out in the snow. Done well. That's actually what I'm having my Jeep right now, actually. Haven't tried them out on the trails yet. It's been too cold. It's starting to get warmer finally. But I also have a set of the Proline Super Swamper XLs. And these guys here, you can notice just a smidge taller. Not by much. Just a little bit. I mean, you look at it. I mean, yeah, you can see it. And they're about the same width. I think the flat irons are just a smidge wider. But either way, the Super Swampers, these are good tires. I have had anything but good luck with these. They're tacky, good stuff. They grip a lot. They squish even with the memory foam. Now I know a lot of guys took the memory foam that came with these and cut them. I didn't do that. This is all stock memory foam. Didn't cut them. Got them in there. Squeezed them up in there. Worked good. I recommend those too as well. But the flat irons, these things look beastly. I'm gonna grab the other four out of here too. That one. And the other one. Head to the side. So I think these are gonna be real nice. Try them out. I even thought about putting these on my Wraith too, just to test these out. But I mean, they're pretty beefy. So, but there those guys are. Can't wait to try them out. If you guys have any questions or not, feel free to hit me up. Let me know. I also want to kind of give you guys a quick gander at the Jeep here because I'm also running Proline's, let me take the body off real quick, hang on. Trying out a lot of different shocks and whatnot. And what I found was, what I think works the best, I think, are the Proline Power Stroke Scalar shocks. You can get them off most of the websites, but they come with the 90mm ends and the 95mm ends. I'm running the 95mm ends because it gives me just an extra about a ½ inch of flex, which is good enough for me. I'm happy with it. But yeah, so there's that. In the second part of the video, I will show you basically how to mount these things because, unfortunately, when I was doing it, camera died. So, but that'll be the second part. Alright? I'll be back. Now, on these here, as you can tell, I mean, that rim is pretty much sunken in. You got the memory foam was pretty much a huge memory foam. I almost think they're almost bigger than the ones I put in my Swampers, but I believe it's the same one. Now let's check this one here that I found out, because they're kind of a pain in the butt to mount, but well worth it, as you can tell by this. awesome. But you need yourself to find yourself a either a small cup like what I got up here or so to kind of set the tire on, or whatever you can do. I found that my kids' Flark cup does a pretty good job of it. Kind of it's the same size as the bead lock. You just gotta push down on here. Let me just make sure the camera's still good here. Sorry guys, I don't have the actual viewfinder in this camera, but I'm doing my best, so bear with me. Alright, hang on. Alright, now what I got, I use my drill with these because it's just a little faster. I know it's probably overkill, but what's not anymore. Alright, give me a sec. Here, we'll get this mounted. Push that memory foam as far down as you can behind the rim, so you can actually get the tire to sit inside of your bead lock. Now I know you guys have probably seen enough of these how to put bead locks on, that kind of crap. And yeah, this is one more of them, but it's still good to know once in a while. Now as you can tell, I kind of got that little bead as far down as I can really with the foam in my way. So now all I do then, push it down as far as I can, grab your bead lock ring, line her up, find a good spot for it where it's going to be all centered, give it a quick push down on it and hold it there. You want to grab one screw, kind of start it best you can, grab another one, put it on the opposite side. This makes it easier. A little more. Okay. Alright. There's those two. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try and do the rest of these four here, and then the other side too as well. But what I want to do is, you won't see it, but when I go to edit this, I'll probably fast forward through this whole process here. Anyway, but yeah, I took off the boggers that were on it, putting the flat irons on it. Do that real quick. Just put the last tire on here real quick, and then put the body back on. I'll give you a little bit of a look-see on how it looks. Now, I kind of like the look of the black rims with the chrome nut caps. Just kind of gives a nice little offset. Alright, there you go. You can see that. I'm going to zoom in for a second. I can show you a little better. Not too bad, I think, huh? What do you guys think? I think it's cool looking. Let me back out of here real quick again. Alright, hang on. Alright, so take this off. Put the swampers back over here. Definitely got a cool look to it. Put the body back on real quick and see how she looks with the body on it. That looks pretty cool. I'll get the camera off here in just a second and give you guys a look-see. Put a couple clips in here so it keeps the body in place. Now again, like I said, I am running the Proline Power Stroke scalar shocks on here with the 95mm ends. So you got a little bit more of a ride height than normal. There you go. What do you guys think? A nice little big stance to it. Pretty cool looking, I think. Still got some decent flex to it. Still not hitting the body at all, which is kind of cool. But yeah, hang on. Let me get the camera and I'll give you guys a close-up look here. There you go. It's the flat irons all done up. Give you a front look here. That looks cool. I can't wait to try these outside. Because unfortunately, it's dark out. Granted, I got lights on it, but they're not that bright. But yeah, I think all in all, it don't look half bad. I like them a lot. I thank Proline a lot for letting me try them out here. Yeah, that was really cool. I mean, just look at that. With the side bite action going on. All the way around. Even from the rear. That looks cool. I like that. Alright. I'll put that here for a sec. Set the camera back up over here. Cool. So yeah. So anyway. Can't wait to try this bad boy out. I'll get a good running video over on the Big Daddy RC Customs test course, which is out there in the yard. Give it a whirl. I might even, like I said, I might even try these flat irons and take the two rip saws I have on my Wraith and toss one there too, just to see how that runs with the Wraith. I think it's kind of cool. Anyway, again, hope this video kind of helped out a little bit. It's my first one doing this kind of a test build video, or what do you want to call it. But any questions, feel free to hit me up. You can look me up on Facebook or on YouTube, of course, here. Just type in Big Daddy RC Customs in the Facebook search and you'll be able to find my business page. Because you'll probably see these bad boys here on my plows. So that's another thing. This one kind of had to do that one because I had a paint problem. Had a bad paint can. But anyway, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed doing this and making a video for you guys. If it's give you a little insight, once I get a running video put together here, I'll get that all done and post it up and go from there. Alright, man. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.